Why scientists are concerned about this issue? Because eutrophication can cause loss of aquatic biodiversity, forces out less tolerant species. The increased productivity from eutrophication increases oxygen consumption in the system and can lead to low oxygen or oxygen-free water bodies. Hypoxia can result in mass mortality of underwater species, and chronic stress can convert the seabed into a virtual biological desert devoid of animal life.
Also, high pH levels can be found in the water, which is very toxic for the fish and other organisms. Um, this high pH level can also make other substances like ammonia a lot more toxic than they actually are.
Eutrophication can also overwhelm the capacity and the resilience of the ecosystem. Nutrition stimulates microbial, including phytoplankton and microscopic plants to grow. Biomass of planktonic organisms and microalgae may accumulate and then decompose, consuming much of the oxygen available in the water column.
Blooms of plankton algae reduces water clarity by making the water very green and slimy. This also alters the quantity and quality of the underwater sea life and food for secondary customers.
Wait, why should we care?
The high nitrate level in our drinking water may affect our health and lifestyle. The nutrition or enrichment of water may kill livestock and young children. It affects their nervous system and livers. And also, the nutrition helps grow algae, which may create high pH level in the lake. The high pH level water will kill fish. If the amount of fish decreases dramatically, it will leave us with the fish shortage. And these people won't be able to fish on the lake anymore.
And what are the challenges?
A challenge that we might face when trying to solve this issue is that sometimes our farmers can be ignorant. They'll let their fertilizers just run off into our lakes. But the nutrients from the fertilizers can be good for a little bit, but too much can be very disastrous for the ecosystem. We can't just clean our lakes like we can clean your goldfish's bowl. So, yeah, there are programs out there to clean lakes, yet they're very expensive, and sometimes we might not be able to afford the programs to clean our lakes.
One success that has been done in solving this issue was Lake Erie. Lake Erie reduced the amount of phosphorus content in detergents, implemented programs aimed to reduce point source inputs of phosphorus, such as farming runoffs. They developed programs for the control of phosphorus from agricultural sources. They also regulated any new uses of phosphorus, which could be used in appreciable additions to the lakes.
Another federal law for water pollution is the Clean Water Act. The act introduced the National Pollutant Discharge Elimination System, which is a permit system for regulating point sources of pollution, which includes some agricultural facilities, such as animal feedlots. Point sources may not discharge pollutants to surface waters without a permit from the NPDES. This system is managed by the United States Environmental Protection Agency in partnership with state environmental agencies.
Save your lakes.